Two alleged swindlers face some of their accusers in a West Michigan courtroom today.
Tiger 8 investigator Henry Erb has been all over this case for years. He was at today's preliminary hearing. Henry?
Well, this was the story that Tiger 8 investigators broke in 2009 and is, in part, the reason the State Attorney General's office opened its probe.
Move the admission of proposed Exhibit 3.
This Rockford man, Charlie Van Dyke, inherited $750,000. Then he lost most of it in the alleged swindle.
Any return on those investments?
None.
So you're out $645,000?
$668,000.
$668,000,
Yes.
excuse me.
The state alleges Van Dyke and 140 other people lost a total of $9 million to Jeff Ripley of Sparta and accountant Dan VanLiere of Granville. Van Dyke was a key witness who says Ripley convinced him to create a company and bankroll it while he brought in other investors. Ripley, he says, told him and other investors that they'd get huge returns from their loans, which could be used to pay fees to get enormous amounts of money out of foreign bank accounts.
It was monies that were gained from overtaking foreign countries.
And how much money?
I believe it was $470-some million.
The state alleges that there were no such bank accounts and that Ripley and VanLiere and a few others lived off the money investors like Van Dyke put up. He says that at times Ripley got him to pay his mortgage and other times told him to give him and others cash that was supposedly going to be sent through Western Union to people in Europe and Africa who would help liberate those big bank accounts. Van Dyke says he ran out of money in 2007 and Ripley stopped talking to him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ripley then allegedly got Grand Rapids restaurant owner Doug Kakos to form and bankroll a successor company. Kakos was in court today to waive examination as representative of that company, API Worldwide Holdings. Testimony today indicated Ripley used the others to keep his name off any paperwork.
Shut down, and the credit card companies are still coming after me.
Why after you?
Because I'm the one that filled out and as the officer of Alpha Partners.
Testimony will continue tomorrow before the judge decides if the men will have to stand trial for their alleged misdeeds.